Hey, welcome to Saze Maths. In today's video, we are solving this equation. Now, we have different operations. So, for us to know the operation to begin with and to finish with, we have to follow the order of operation called PEMDAS. Parentheses. We solve the one in bracket first. 5 minus 4 will give us 1. That gives us a new equation. 5 times 3 minus 3 times 1. We have multiplication, we have subtraction, we have multiplication. So we do the multiplication first, because according to PEMDAS, after the parenthesis is exponent. After exponent, we will be having multiplication and division. So here we do the multiplication. 5 times 3 will give us 15 minus 3 times 1, and then 15 minus 3, which give us 12. So the correct answer to this equation is 12.